Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete or clear cookies in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So when you browse the internet, websites save cookies in your browser for different reasons, such as being able to sign back in regularly. You don't actually have to always enter your password back in. If you have certain browsing activity on the page, it may be able to better serve you if you have cookies enabled. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about just clearing them out, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start by selecting the menu icon up in the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select the privacy and security button. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath cookies and site data. Select the clear data button if you want to go ahead and just clear them out here. You can clear the cached web content as well as cookies and site data. By clearing the cookies and site data, you may be signed out of certain websites that you already have set to remember your username and passwords. You just might have to re-enter back in some website credentials. But otherwise, we're going to go ahead and just keep both of these selected here. And then I'm going to proceed with clearing them out. I'm going to select Clear Now. And then once that's done, you should relaunch the browser, and that should really be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.